Hi guys, good afternoon. So today I am doing a crafty thing, as you can see. I have never done this before, so this experiment is not promised with results. But I don't know if you've ever seen, there's a channel on YouTube called Moriah Elizabeth, and she remakes squishies that have been destroyed and ruined, and this is actually her brand of squishy. So I am going to try to paint my first squishy today. This is a DIY squishy paint ready, and then it says squishy makeover on it. It looks really cute. And then this is her little like logo that she uses on her channel, like from Moriah Elizabeth. And it says use flexible paint, which I have. Flexible fabric paint, apply paint in multiple thin layers with a brush, or use a popsicle stick to apply thick layers. Paint one side of the squishy at a time, let it dry to prevent smudging. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I ordered this a very long time ago. It's just been sitting in my cabinet. And then I have this small set of brushes, which I think I got the last time I went to Michael's, which is probably in January, that I haven't used yet. So I'm not even sure if these will work or not, but we're gonna test them out. And then I got this set of acrylic fabric paint on Amazon. I believe it was like $12.99 for all these little tubies. And then to switch paint colors, I just have this filled with water. I have paper plates and paper towels. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be needing or using as of yet, but we will see what happens. Oh, these I believe were like $2 at the craft store, and this was $5 on Moriah Elizabeth's website. But I don't know, because of all the stuff that's happening right now, if she's shipping these at this moment or not, because like I said earlier, oh, it's so squishy. It's like a, they're called squishies now, but what I would call this would be like a stress ball. Like you just sit here and squish it. It's so good. Yeah, but I don't know, because of all the stuff that's happening and shipping issues, if she is still shipping these. So just in case you go to check her website and you don't see them there, that could be why. I just painted my nails today too. If you want to watch that, there's a live stream from yesterday that will be up. So satisfying. I'm never gonna paint this, I'm just gonna keep squishing it. Okay, let me open the paints. So I was thinking, because of my paint selection here, that I'm going to do a rainbow ice cream kind of swirl here. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for the cone. I know I'm gonna have to mix some colors together, maybe some brown and yellow, to try to get the cone color that I want, but oh, this feels so good to squish. Okay, highly recommend. You guys should all get a squishy, because the next time I'm stressed out, I'm just gonna grab that and start squishing it. Okay, so just taking one row of colors here. So if I do a rainbow, should I start? So she said to do, on the instructions says to do the front half and then do the back half, and conveniently there's a seam here so I can know exactly where I need to start and stop. I've never used fabric paint before, so also bear with me. I don't know what I'm doing. It just says true red. Okay, let's start. Let's make this portion over here red. Oh my god. Air bubble. Not good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just going to paint a thin layer like she says on the instructions. What am I gonna do with this big clump of paint here? It's kind of absorbing some of the paint, so I guess that's a good thing because that air bubble squirted out and made it too thick. Next line is gonna be orange, so at least that's okay. The area that it squirted out, the orange should be able to cover it. Now I see why she says in her videos it takes her multiple days to revamp a squishy. Been here for like 10 minutes already. I haven't even got a full swirl yet. It's a little messy right here on the edges, but hopefully I can cover it with the orange. I got it on the cone a little bit, but I blame the air bubble explosion. Ah! Okay, next color. So we got a red stripe so far. Should I do pink? Ooh, I should have counted the colors first. Okay, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, orange. Oh, no, no, no. Well, I'm gonna end up with like a red, orange. Maybe I'll do red, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then maybe I'll mix some purple, like black and blue, and make a really dark purple. And then it's like one rainbow all the way around. Okay, I think that's my plan. I'm glad I remembered to count now instead of just going and then being mad at the end. Trying not to get it on the cone part, but that seems to be harder than it looks. I don't know why this paint smells like strawberry ice cream to me. I think I'm becoming delusional. You gotta catch the little fish. There's angelfish and there's like a sturgeon that'll appear every couple times. I know it says to only do half at a time, but I really want to do all the swirls. So I'm gonna do all the swirls first and then go back and do the cone. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to make a darker shade of purple. So I'm going to put purple, maybe a drop or two of blue, and a teeny tiny bit of black. It would help if you could see. That was a lot more black than I wanted, but it kind of just came out. So let's see what happens here. It's too much black. Let me add more purple. And maybe some white to get it a little lighter. to make the cone color. I have brown, but I want it to be lighter, like a toasty color, like a ice cream cone should be. Probably should maybe start with yellow because I want it to be a lighter shade of brown. Okay, I like that color. So what I'm gonna do is take the same brush I've been using and kind of go around the edges here. Maybe I'll use the darker brown. The darker brown will cover all the areas that I messed up at. Let's do the darker brown. Okay, I just messed up right here. And I know from messing up right there that I'm not gonna be able to cover that small spot with anything. Maybe if I let it dry and then try to cover it with white. So I think this cone just became a chocolate dipped cone because I do not want to try to fix that because this is a very dark brown. So this is day 2 of painting my squishy. The paint that I have done is completely dry. This green kind of, I think, feel like it needs another coat, and maybe this lavender shade too. I'm gonna try to get a correct shade for the cone, and since I've done this dark brown around here, what I think I'm gonna do is paint maybe half of this all the same cone color, and then I'm gonna try to make chocolate drips so it looks like a chocolate dipped cone, but we'll see what happens. The washing machine's on in the background, so if you could hear it, I'm sorry, but here's my final squishy! I'm so excited. I absolutely love the way the chocolate drips came out. I'm quite proud of myself, actually. And the color that I mixed for the cone, I did not know that I could mix color to make such a perfect toasty shade for the cone part. I'm not in love with the color story I picked for the ice cream part, and then when the paint was still wet I had touched it, so there's a spot of green on there. But I really enjoyed painting this. It was like super relaxing and therapeutic, so I am 4010% going to do this again. I did buy 2 of these, 2 or 3, I'm not sure. So I'm definitely gonna be painting another ice cream cone with a different color story, but this was so awesome. I definitely think I might have a new hobby that has just sparked from this, because this was really fun, and now I have a stress ball, a really cute stress ball with chocolate drizzle. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to put Moriah Elizabeth's link to her channel down below so you could see the queen of squishies do some squishies if you'd like. And then if you wanted to buy this ice cream cone, you can get it from her on her channel. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!